Hello, everybody. Today we are talking about life transitions and how they affect your organizational process. I definitely want you to stay tuned for this one. Hello, guys. My name is Dana L'Oreal Morales. I'm the owner of the Happiness Bucket, where I educate you to organize your space, life, soul, and business. And today we are actually covering a topic that affects all four of our buckets. All right. We are talking about life transitions and how it affects your organizational system. Life transitions mean a lot of things. They are basically shifts in your life that affect your life. And I'm saying life, but it can affect your business. It can affect where you live. It can affect how much money you have. So a life transition could be losing a job, getting a new job, starting school, graduating from school, having children, any of these things, losing weight, gaining weight. All of these things affect your life and they cause your life to make a transition. And the reason why it's important when it comes to organizing is that a lot of times when I am working with clients, I find that they have made some sort of life transition, but their stuff has not gone along with it. Okay. So an example of this is our closets at home. Guys, I know you can totally relate to what I'm about to say. If you walk into your closet today, do you have clothes that you've had for years? Like I'm talking college days that you've had since your first job that you have had that no longer fit? That is because you have gone through one or more life transitions and you have not gone in and transitioned your closet as well. This has the same effect when you're talking about your pantry. You know, for those of you who are part of our Club Keto, you know that you have gone through a life transition of eating carbs and eating things that are not necessarily good for you to eating more of a healthy lifestyle or living more of a healthy lifestyle. And so you've eliminated a lot of things from your food options, right? And so when you do that, you have to make a transition in your pantry. You have to let go of the sugar that's in your pantry. Unless you have non-keto people in your home, there are things that you are no longer going to use. You're no longer going to use white flour. You're no longer going to use sugar, or you want to take that outside of your home or get that out of your home so that you are not tempted to cheat on your plan as you are going through the keto process, right? And this goes with any lifestyle change, right? Maybe you're stopping smoking. Well, has your process or the things that you used to do when you smoked, have you changed? Have you shifted from that? You know, are these changes in your life aligning with where your life is today, right? And this happens a lot of time when people have been forced to do one thing because of their lifestyle or because of what is going on in their life. And when that thing is no longer there and they're no longer forced to do it, they tend to gravitate back to that because it's what they're used to and not necessarily what they have to do. Okay. Or you're holding on to things because you're used to them being there, but you absolutely don't necessarily need them to be there. Okay. This goes with stuff that your boyfriend from back in the day gave you. Why are you holding on to those letters? You're married now. Why do you still have these letters from the boyfriend 10 years ago? Right. And I'm just throwing things out there, but the point that I'm trying to make to you is as you go through your life transitions, as things begin to change in your life, your stuff, your processes, everything centered around you I said centered around you. That is not correct. Everything around you actually needs to shift too. So I want you to start having this trigger. As you begin as you move into a life transition moment, I want you to stop and think about what is aligned with that transition. So if you used to go to college and you now have graduated from college, what are the things that are really more associated with the old you that was a student versus the new you who is now in the working world, right? Two different people, because you are two different people in that moment. You are the new you, which is a graduate, and you now are able to walk into your career and further your career. So you need to have that career mindset, and you need to be able to shift to thinking and being that person. Okay. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you have any questions, definitely post them down in the comment section. You know, I love hearing from you. If you would like to know when I post additional content, please make sure you are subscribing to this channel. I will talk to you soon. And if you have any topics you would like for me to cover, please definitely share those as well. I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Stay happy and stay organized. See you later.